Sa iyong 80th birthday. Sana nandiyan dyan kami para makipagsaya sa iyo, pero yung imbitasyon namin huling dumating. Hindi bale, uuwi naman kami siguro Disyembre, pwede natin i-celebrate pa rin ang birthday mo. Basta tiran mo lang kami ng Sputnik, yung paborito ko, o embutido. At saka, pagdadasal namin magkaroon ka pa ng mahabang buhay, maraming birthday, at marami pa tayong kasihang idadaos. Maligayang kaarawan sa iyo, pagdadasal ka namin, at maaari tayong magkita sa lalong madaling panahon. Ito si Beb.
Happy Big 8 sa iyong kaarawan. Wish namin at dasal namin na sana bigyan ka pa ng healthy, happy life. Maraming salamat din sa iyong walang sawang paghahanda at pagluluto tuwing kami dumarating at o kaya tuwing kami umuwi. Happy birthday po ulit sa iyo. You're the best. Champion kayo talaga.
Hi Tita Pasing, happy 80th birthday. Sana nandiyan kami para mag-anuhan tayo, sasayaw tayo, tsaka magkakainan. Alam ko magluluto ka na naman. Sana wag ka naman magluto birthday mo. Sino ba magluluto? Sina Cecil o pakikater nyo? Sana nandiyan kami para mas masaya. Kaya lang, di ba, next year siguro pagka gumraduate si Irene, sama-sama tayo ulit. Tsaka sana healthy ka pa, live a longer life. Tsaka thank you very much sa lahat ng mga pag-ano nyo sa amin. Tsaka turuan nyo ulit ako ng bagong recipe. Okay? Ginagawa ko nga pala yung mga recipe yung kinuha ko sa inyo. Lagi kong niluluto. Gusto nila. Thank you. Happy birthday. Bye-bye. Ito si Irene. Almost.
Okay.
Hi Lola Pasing, it's me Irene. Just wanted to say happy 80th birthday to you. I hope you have many more to come. And I just wanted to say that you're an amazing Lola and an amazing cook. And I miss your morcon and your embutido and your Sputnik. And hopefully I can eat it when I come back to the Philippines very soon. So hopefully I can come back when I graduate in May 2011. And I hope you have very good health and that you're still very healthy and very happy. And hopefully we will get to see you soon. Okay, so here's my dad and happy birthday again. We love you very much. Bye.
Hi Tita Pasing! Happy 80th birthday sa'yo. Sorry kung hindi kami makakarating diyan. Pero anyway, we're planning siguro by 2011 after na makagraduate si Irene. I wish you all the happiness and longest life. Sana you're good for another 25 more years. And I miss all your cook. Sana makita-kita ulit tayo, hopefully by a year and a half. At we're really looking forward to it. Again, a very happy birthday and a very blessed one. And I wish you the best of health. Bye!